Denardo Thomas cutting it inside. Bygrave with a pretty good right-footed effort. And once again, Corral Holmes with a stunning save.
What do you think about the standard of goalkeeping this season compared to last season? Overall in the league?
Well, I think last season it was more competitive. We have Vino Barkley keeping right through the season, keeping well. You know, most of the goalkeepers this time, them inform, them drop off, them inform, them drop off. And then when I look at Shakwan just was up here against, you know, higher than everybody else and just gone with it. You know, injuries as well for some of the veteran goalkeepers like the Waterhouse goalkeeper, who, you know, is really good. And he was out. You know, young goalkeepers came in for their first time getting experience, which is good as well for the league. But I think the coming season we'll see some really good goalkeeping from goalkeepers. But a little bit, you know, in terms of quality, you had one person or maybe two person at a high level, and then, you know, dropping down a little bit, then you have the rest.
So you bring up a good point, you know. We did have more young keepers this year, so I guess we can't fight the dropping quality too much. As you mentioned, Waterhouse, they lost them captain, and then Pusai have to take over for the majority of the season. And he did well, but you can see that most of these young keepers still have some issues going forward for now, like, you know, the experience and all that. MG says significant. Oh, wait, I'm saying we can highlight MG. I'm saying significantly better than normal in regards to goalkeeping overall. MG, you think the goalkeeping better than last year? Because I thought last year goalkeeping step up big time. You know? Most clubs use young goalkeepers this year. Yeah, MG, but them use mostly young keepers. But does that itself might be a reason why the standard never good as last year? I thought more veterans were really good last year, and no, we felt it's step back this year. Like, we're glad young keepers getting a chance, you know. Like, we're talking about Arnett right now. I thought Javan Parchment, when he came in, was really good. So I'm happy to see more young keepers that get a chance nearly. True. Your boy Thibaut Abito comment here. He said, besides Portmore goalkeeper, Arnett goalkeepers, and Cavalier goalkeepers, last season the rest were pretty bad. I think that's kind of harsh. I don't think they were bad. I just think they had some severe lapses sometimes in some crucial games.
Well, but but that's what I'm most of the time, you know. We don't really have all the goalkeepers in the league punching at the same level. We maybe have a 5 or 6 that is really at the, you know, the big level. Yeah. So last year though, you have Vino Barkley, you have Shakwan Davis again last year doing well. You have the young goalkeeper from Arnegan that's from usually play for Dintil. Get national call up as well. He was doing well from Arnett as well. You have the Portmore goalkeeper doing well. So, I mean,
the goalkeeper of the year, I feel, of this season just gone, is Toby Bass is an easy choice again, but I think Shakwan Davis is the goalkeeper of the year. Again, I said it, you know, he was slightly, to me, he was better last year, but I still think he was the best goalkeeper this year. Yeah, you know, you don't normally break a record, a 20-odd-year-old record in the league for clean sheet and not end up being one of the best goalkeepers. So I think he deserves it. And it's a shame, like, the league, they really do a recognition, like, for players at the end of the year, for him, like, I'm never sure if he got the golden gloves for getting the most clean sheet. We see Warner Bros get the golden boots. I'm not sure goalkeepers get golden gloves. You know, it's not like that. But in terms of JPL, yeah, man, he was easily the best goalkeeper.